Hello, I have check engine light and check all-wheel drive system, traction off. Went to the auto zone and they told me to clean the timing solenoid, and they even gave me a picture how it looks like. Screen. This is the codes P0015, P0343. So we're gonna clear that, because as you Google it, it shows that loose or faulty gas cap. So I ordered that one, but I'm gonna start with this, guys, with solenoid. Clean solenoid, and I got the mass airflow sensor cleaner, so I'm gonna do that and see if alarm will go away on 2014 Lexus RX350. Okay, removing cover, it's easy. Oh, that looks like this one visible. I'm gonna start with this one, this too. Let's see if it's gonna do it. Oil is good. I check everything on this car, battery, oil, everything looks good. It drives awesome. 130,000 miles. After unscrewing the bolt, unplugging the plug, let's see. That's what it is. Well, we're gonna try to clean it, spray it. Okay, I put one back. Here's the second one. It has O-ring, so be careful pulling it down. It's hot. It's hot. I need two hands. Need to unscrew it. I need two hands. Okay. Okay, got it done. It doesn't look that dirty, but we'll clean it and put it back, see if it will help. So it's in the oil, looks like. Okay. Okay, it's tight. Plug back. Put everything back. Clean the oil spillage a little bit, and well, I talked to co-workers. Next day I didn't even ask them. They brought me 2 scanners. 2 guys. Wow. God bless them. So I'm gonna try to clear the code. So car is up. Which one I will use? Let's see. Any of them. Still have the alarm. Let's plug it in somewhere here. Where's the plug? Hard to see. Okay. Press OK. Okay, update. After seeing that last code that don't wanna clear it out, I just went and changed camshaft sensor. So this is the one that we bought. This is the one that we bought from AutoZone, and it failed. I was sending code. So I put the original one back, and after that it clears the code. Let's see. No codes, guys. It did clear the codes. Yep. So put original camshaft sensor back, and it did clear the codes. This is the update, and no more codes. Everything works great. Thanks. Hello, kitties. Hello. Bye.